What if I told you that the toaster oven you've been avoiding cleaning for months because it looks impossibly dirty can be completely restored in 20 minutes using one simple ingredient you already have in your pantry? What if that burnt-on grease, carbonized crumbs, and baked-on grime that seems permanent can actually be removed without dangerous chemicals or endless scrubbing? I was ready to throw away my disgusting toaster oven when I discovered this trick, and the transformation left me speechless. Stay to the end, because this will save your appliance. The appliance we're afraid to face. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually cleaned your toaster oven? Not just wiped the exterior or dumped the crumb tray. Actually cleaned the interior, the heating elements, the racks, the glass door. If you're like most people, the answer is either never or so long ago I don't remember. And here's why. Toaster ovens are terrifying to clean. The burnt-on food seems welded to the surfaces. The grease has been baked on at high temperatures hundreds of times, creating what looks like permanent damage. The magic ingredient, baking soda paste. Here's the method that changed everything. Make a thick paste with baking soda and water, about 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. You want a spreadable paste consistency, like toothpaste. Unplug your toaster oven and let it cool completely. Remove the racks and crumb tray. Now, using a brush or your gloved hands, spread this baking soda paste all over the interior surfaces. Cover everything except the heating elements. Don't worry about being neat, just coat all the dirty areas generously. Here's the crucial part that makes this work. Let it sit overnight. 12 hours minimum. During this time, the baking soda breaks down the carbonized grease and burnt-on food. The morning after, the stunning reveal. The next morning, I approached my toaster oven with low expectations. The baking soda paste had dried to a chalky white coating. I started wiping it away with a damp cloth, and my jaw literally dropped. The burnt-on grease was coming off effortlessly. The black carbonized buildup that I thought was permanent was lifting away with minimal pressure. I wiped and rinsed. Within 10 minutes, the interior was clean, not just better. Actually clean. The racks and glass door. For the racks, I soaked them in hot water with dish soap and baking soda for 30 minutes, then scrubbed with a brush. They came clean beautifully. For the glass door, I used the same baking soda paste method on the interior and a vinegar spray on the exterior. The glass went from opaque with grime to perfectly transparent. I could see through my toaster oven door for the first time in over a year. Why this works so well. Baking soda is mildly alkaline and slightly abrasive. This combination is perfect for breaking down greasy, burnt-on food without scratching surfaces or leaving toxic residues. Unlike commercial oven cleaners that use harsh caustic chemicals like lye, baking soda is completely food-safe. You're not worried about chemical contamination in the space where you cook. And unlike harsh chemicals that require immediate ventilation and protective gear, baking soda is safe to work with and non-toxic. The overnight sitting time is what makes this method superior to scrubbing immediately. It gives the baking soda time to penetrate and break down the layers of buildup. You're letting chemistry do the hard work instead of relying on physical force. The maintenance strategy. Now that my toaster oven is clean, I've implemented a simple maintenance routine. After every few uses, I wipe down the interior with a damp cloth while it's still slightly warm. This prevents buildup from accumulating. Once a month, I do a quick baking soda paste treatment on any spots that are developing. This prevents the severe buildup that made cleaning so intimidating before. 5 minutes of monthly maintenance versus the nightmare of annual deep cleaning. The cost and safety reality. A box of baking soda costs $2 or $3 and contains enough for dozens of toaster oven cleanings. Commercial oven cleaners cost $4 or $5, contain dangerous chemicals, require safety precautions, and often damage surfaces. The choice is obvious: safer, cheaper, and more effective. This is the definition of a winning solution. There you have it. The trick for cleaning your scary, disgusting toaster oven: baking soda paste, overnight sit, gentle wipe down. If this just saved your toaster oven from the trash, smash that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more solutions to intimidating household tasks. Share this with anyone avoiding their filthy toaster oven. Comment if you're trying this tonight. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stop being scared, use safe methods, and enjoy your restored appliance. 2/2